All right, guys, obviously take it out of the cardboard first. We're using sugar cookies as our base for this awesome peach cobbler thing here. We have a greased 8x8 baking dish here, little Pyrex dish. I'm gonna try to make it as even as can be on the bottom, and then we want it to run up the sides a little bit, okay? You're using sugar cookies to make this awesome crust. Does not have to be perfect in there. Little peach cobbler is definitely something that is a rustic looking kind of dish, right? Right. Okay. All right, let's get our pie filling in there. Okay, we got our little peach pie filling. Let's go ahead and get it in, just over the top. 1 can will be enough for this dish. And this is something you could definitely do with other pie fillings. Don't feel you need to do it with just peach. This would be great with apple too. And I know we got some blueberry fans out there. Little cherry fan. And my wife is a huge cherry pie fan. I guarantee you she'd dig this. For our topping, we're gonna use a little oats and honey granola. All right, you can use whatever granola you like. This is a cheater way of getting a nice crumble topping on there. This topping will soften up with that peach mix in there, that peach pie. That'll be amazing. All right, let's get the rest of it on there. Good to the last drop, boys and girls. Last thing before we get this in the oven, we're gonna add some butter. Guys, this looks awesome. Those last little pieces of butter on there. Go ahead and cut me off one more piece just so we have a little even amount of butter on there. We got an oven preheated to 350. We're gonna put our little 5-ingredient peach cobbler in there. Now, I know you're saying to yourself, I only see 4 ingredients. We got one more coming after it gets out of the oven. Stick around, y'all. We're fresh out of the oven. Let this thing cool down. It's molten lava in there. But gosh darn, does that look good. All right, team, last ingredient of the 5. We're doing a little caramel syrup in there. We're just gonna drizzle it over the top. Nice and easy like. Go. Time to chop into this bad boy. Take the corner piece out. You know the corner piece is the best piece. Maybe a spatula was not the best option. Look at that, just bust up. Spatula, not the best option. Spoon, better option. All right, the only thing this is missing is a scoop of ice cream. Come on, you can do it. All right, there we go. Got a little caramel vanilla ice cream. Hell yeah, that looks good. All right, team, we got our little 5-ingredient peach cobbler here. 6, I guess, if you count the ice cream. You know, some whipped cream would go nice on here too. It's nice and ooey gooey and warm. It's melting that beautiful ice cream on top. Gosh, who's got it better than us? Nobody. That right there is too dang good. And I think I forgot to mention it earlier. We cooked it for about 45 minutes. All right. Just make sure that cookie is done all the way through. And I would let this rest a little bit more. I pulled it out of the oven, let it, rest for like 5-10 minutes. Probably could have gone about 20, but I wanted it nice and warm, melty, ooey gooey, like I said. Guys, what more can I say? But you know it's good, baby.